Hello, my name is John Kenyon from Top Shelf Supply Co, and we're based in Claremont. My family and I have been involved in the cafe industry and coffee roasting business now for the last dozen years in the Western Suburbs of Perth. We've been using Greg and his team at Response for the last 3 to 4 years. We've loved the service that Greg and his team have given to us. If ever there's an emergency, they're there within the hour most times. Always there, able to fix up our challenges, get us back up and running. It's just been a great relationship. Sometimes we don't know how we get on without them. During this period of time, we've used the team at Response for a range of electrical work throughout our business. Things like upgrading of our switchboards, installation and maintenance of a rather complex coffee roasting system, things like preventative maintenance, anything that has an electrical issue in our business. Greg and his team have always been there to work on it and to solve it and get us up and running. It's always been a great pleasure when we see someone from Response turn up. They're always a group of courteous people. They're a pleasure to have in our business. Our staff always feel comfortable around them, and that's always nice when you've got a busy business with lots of staff. They can come in, join in, and just feel comfortable and at home, and the staff feel exactly the same. In the last 3 years, we've had a couple of major issues where Greg and his team have just been nothing short of phenomenal. I'll never forget the occasion when we had to completely rejig a coffee bar. Huge exercise, moving everything, coffee machines with 32 to 40 amp power requirements, and they had overnight to do it. They had 12 hours for everything to happen. And sure enough, they turned up at 4 in the afternoon, and I think they left at 5 next morning. But when we were ready to open business at 6:30, everything was up and running as if nothing had occurred overnight. They were just fantastic. And we had another occasion, which was when we had some major blackouts going back some 2 or 3 years. Greg and his team again responded rapidly for us. We had to bring in generators, had to get them in with a matter of hours, and as usual, Greg and his team delivered. Generators were brought in, connected to our switchboards, and we didn't lose or have one moment of downtime in the operation of our business. People ask me at time, what do I think of Response? I and my team just think they're fantastic, and if you're in business or even for home, we would really recommend the team at Response. Greg's put together a really professional group of people. As I said before, they're great to have around your business or your home. Their service levels are fantastic. Attitude is always second to none. We couldn't recommend them more highly.